Aging doesn't mean slowing down or giving up on vitality. In fact, the right exercises can keep you strong, mobile, and energetic well into your golden years. Today, I'll introduce you to 5 powerful anti-aging exercises tailored for those over 40. These moves are designed to improve flexibility, balance, strength, and overall health. Whether you're just starting out or have been exercising for years, these workouts will make a lasting difference in how you feel and move. Stay with me to the end, because I'll guide you through these simple yet transformative exercises. Plus, don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. Exercise 1. Squats. Building the foundation of strength benefits for real-life scenarios. For individuals over 40, squats are essential for maintaining independence in daily activities. Picture this: bending to pick up a grandchild, rising effortlessly from a chair, or carrying groceries up the stairs. These are all actions that become easier with stronger legs and enhanced balance. Additionally, improved leg strength reduces the risk of falls, a major concern for aging individuals, by fostering better coordination and stability. Benefits for 40-plus individuals. Strengthens glutes, quads, and hamstrings, vital for everyday movements like climbing stairs or getting up from a chair. Enhances joint health in the hips, knees, and ankles, reducing stiffness and arthritis risks. Improves balance and coordination, lowering the risk of falls. Stimulates bone density to combat osteoporosis, a common concern after 40. Boosts circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles and tissues. Instructions for beginners. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest lifted and back straight. Slowly lower yourself as if sitting in a chair, stopping when your thighs are parallel to the floor. Pause, then push through your heels to return to standing. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, and gradually increase as you feel comfortable. Pro tip: use a sturdy chair for support if you're new to squats. Focus on proper form to avoid strain. Exercise 2. Step-ups. Functional strength and mobility. Benefits for 40-plus individuals. Improves leg strength and stability for climbing stairs or walking uphill. Enhances coordination by activating multiple muscle groups. Boosts cardiovascular fitness and aids in weight management. Encourages symmetrical muscle development, reducing imbalances that can lead to injuries. Increases agility, making daily movements more efficient and safe. Instructions for beginners. Use a low step or sturdy platform. Step up with your right foot, bringing your left foot to meet it. Step down with your right foot, followed by your left. Alternate starting legs for 8 to 10 reps per side, completing 3 sets. Pro tip: hold onto a railing or wall for support if you're new to this exercise. Increase intensity by holding light weights. Exercise 3. Plank. Core stability and balance benefits for 40-plus individuals. Strengthens abs, obliques, and lower back for improved posture and reduced back pain. Enhances balance and proprioception, reducing the likelihood of falls. Supports joint health by activating stabilizing muscles without heavy impact. Encourages mindful breathing, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Instructions for beginners. Lie face down and position your forearms on the floor, elbows under shoulders. Lift your body, forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, focusing on engaging your core and maintaining proper alignment. Breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose, expanding your belly, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This will help you stay steady and maximize oxygen flow to your muscles. Rest and repeat for 3 sets, gradually increasing the duration as you build strength. Pro tip: keep your hips level and avoid sagging or arching your back. Start with a modified plank on your knees if needed, and pay attention to controlled breathing throughout. Exercise 4. Push-ups. Strengthening upper body and core benefits for 40-plus individuals. Targets: chest, shoulders, and triceps to maintain posture and upper body strength. Promotes bone density, especially in wrists and elbows, to prevent fractures. Enhances functional strength for tasks like lifting and carrying. Boosts cardiovascular health by improving blood flow. Instructions for beginners. Start on your knees if standard push-ups feel too challenging. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your body straight from head to knees. Lower your chest to the floor while keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps, progressing to full push-ups over time. Place a folded towel or yoga block under your palms for added wrist support. Avoid going too deep in the movement if you have shoulder discomfort. Opt for smaller ranges of motion until you build strength. Pro tip: use a wall for incline push-ups if kneeling is uncomfortable. Focus on smooth, controlled movements. Exercise. 5. Tricep dips. Strengthening arms and shoulders. Benefits for 40+. Individuals. Targets. Triceps, improving arm strength and definition. Enhances joint stability in shoulders and elbows. Supports functional tasks like pushing or lifting objects. Improves upper body coordination and muscle endurance. Strengthens connective tissues, reducing the risk of injuries from repetitive motions. Instructions for beginners. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair or bench with hands beside your hips. Slide forward, keeping your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lower your body by bending your elbows to a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 6-8 reps, increasing as you build strength. Pro tip: keep your movements controlled and avoid dipping too low to protect your shoulders. A simple routine to stay young at heart. Combining these exercises into a daily routine can dramatically improve your strength, balance, and vitality. Start with 10 squats to activate your lower body. Add 10 step-ups per side for functional mobility. Perform a 30-second plank for core stability. Follow with 10 push-ups to strengthen your upper body. Start incorporating these exercises into your daily routine and watch as your body and energy transform over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications so you never miss a tip. We've got plenty of other videos packed with practical advice to help you stay strong, healthy, and active, especially for those of us navigating life after 40. Together, we can achieve a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.